What's up, friends? It's Kenyon, and welcome to Monday, a new week. I just dropped the episode with DG. Man, please take a listen. It is an amazing episode. Shout out to my man, Derek Grant, my brother. He came and just lit it on fire. Make sure you listen. Life is mental. I am going to give you something this week. I'm going to give you something this week that is going to shift your mindset. And if you have to listen to this to start your week every week, please do. I'm taking a quote that Derek mentioned, and I'm going to break it down for you. You're capable of what you think you're capable of. You're capable of what you think you're capable of. We're playing too small. Start playing and thinking bigger. Your gifts will make room for you. Your purpose will make room for you. Life and the universe have this weird way of when you're putting your all into your gifts and your purpose, it gives it energy. Let me share a story. I thought that growing up, the plan was go to school, college, get a prestigious job, maximize a salary for 40 years, and you ride off into the sunset. My Japanese grandmother used to talk to me in her accent, and she would say, you should find a trade because I think they make a lot of money. Every time she would get her car fixed, she would come back and say, maybe you should be a mechanic, because she used to see me playing with my Legos all the time, and she knew I was good. She would say, maybe you should be a mechanic because they make a lot of money, and the guy who fixes my car, I think he owns his shop. You know, I actually think my grandmother was talking down to me, like she doesn't think that highly of me if she thinks I should go be a mechanic, because I thought success was go to college, get a prestigious job. I wanted to wear a suit, walk around Wall Street or some cool city, and I looked the part. But what I realized and what life has taught me is that your gift and your skill, especially when it has purpose, is way more valuable than a degree or some fancy job title. Your gift is the catalyst behind your purpose. Without purpose, a piece of paper or some words after your name on your work email signature, it doesn't mean anything. We play small because we're limiting ourselves. We play small because we don't believe in being greater. We were taught wrong, or we just didn't listen in my case, and we end up chasing the wrong things. This week, I want you to think about what you really want. And I want you to get clarity on what that thing is or what those things are. And then I want you to start thinking really, really big about it. Next, remove the limits. Proceed as if it's guaranteed. Right now, Powerball is $1 billion. Yes, $1 billion. If I told every single one of you, go to the store and get a ticket, I guarantee you'll win, everybody would go. That's the way you have to approach the things you want in life. You're capable of doing anything you can think of. Anything. You just got to go out there and start thinking big, and it'll happen. Y'all stay super blessed.